Good morning, children. Hope you all are fit and fine. In factors and multiples, today we will study new concept called prime factorization. Before that, let us review what are prime and composite numbers.
Prime numbers. Look at the examples. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 11 are 1 and 11. The factors of 17 are 1 and 17. All these numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. Thus, prime numbers are natural numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Number 2. Composite numbers. Look at the examples. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. The factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. All the above numbers have more than two factors. These numbers are called composite numbers. Thus, composite numbers are natural numbers that have more than two factors.
Now, let us learn prime factorization. What is prime factorization? When a number is expressed as a product of prime numbers, it is called prime factorization. There are two methods to find the prime factorization of a given number. First is repeated division method. Second is factor tree method. Let us learn them one by one. Method 1. Prime factorization by repeated division method. Remember, in this method, we always begin with the smallest prime number which divides the given number completely. Question number 1. Use the division method of prime factorization to find the factors. A part, 48. Now, 48 is an even number, so divide 48 by 2, we will get 24. Now divide this 24 by 2, we will get 12. Now divide this 12 by 2, we will get 6. Repeat the same process using only prime number till we get 1 as a quotient. Now again divide this 6 by 2, we will get 3. And as you know, 3 is a prime number, so we will divide 3 by itself. 3 ones are 3. Now we have 1 as a quotient. Therefore, the prime factorization of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now, B part, 36. 36 is an even number, so divide it by 2. We get 18. Now again divide this 18 by 2, we get 9. Now divide this 9 by 3, we get 3. And 3 is a prime number, so divide 3 by itself. 3 ones are 3. Now we have 1 as a quotient. Therefore, the prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Method 2. Prime factorization by factor tree method. In this method, we split the number into its factors, continuing the process till we get all the factors as prime numbers. So, question number 2, make factor tree to find the factors. A part, let's take the same number as we have taken in division method, that is 48. Now, 48 can be split into many pairs of factors. Let us start with 6 times 8. Now, both these numbers are composite numbers. 6 and 8 are composite numbers. So, we again break them into their factors. 6 can be written as 2 times 3. And 8 can be written as 2 times 4. Now, here we get 3 prime numbers, that is 2, 3 and this 2 as factors. We are still left with a composite number, that is 4. Again split this 4 into its factor. Now 4 can be written as 2 times 2. Now both these factors are prime numbers now. Now look, all the factors we have got are prime numbers. Now arrange them into ascending order. Therefore, the prime factorization of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. B part, 18. 18 can be split into many pairs of factors. Let us take 2 times 9, as 2 times 9 is 18. So here we get our first prime number, that is 2, and left with 9, which is a composite number. So now we will split 9 into its factor. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 is a prime number. Therefore, the prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. I hope you all have understood both the methods of prime factorization. Now solve these questions by yourself in your math notebook. Thank you. God bless you. Stay home. Stay safe.